Yo, sociologist. I'm just here to go over your project for the next couple of weeks. So this week and then the next week, you guys are going to be working on this culture mini project. You guys are going to click here to see the list of countries, and you'll have your name next to one of them. If you really hate that country, you can pick a new country as long as no one else has been assigned it. If somebody else in your class that you're friends with has a country that you want, maybe you can cut them a deal. I don't know. So you're going to be making a slides presentation with a title slide and then one slide per element of culture. So there's 5 elements of culture that we've been working with for a total of 6 slides. Each slide is going to have 5 facts about specific element of culture that you've chosen. Do not plagiarize. Link your source at the bottom of the slide. I don't want to see what Wikipedia has to say. I want you to put it in your own words. So 5 facts bulleted. 5 times 5 is 25, so a total of 25 facts on this slideshow. And I need at least one appropriate image. Don't be getting crazy on me here. And the information should be presented in an unbiased way. I don't care how you feel about this country. Please just give me the information. So the elements of culture that we're going over are language. When it comes to language, I know that, say if you have like Spain and you know they speak Spanish there, that's fine, but I'm really looking for specific words and phrases that people would use in that country to describe things. I'm looking for a local slang, okay? So make sure you're digging a little deeper than telling me they speak Italian in Italy. Symbols. So show me the flag. Tell me what the different colors on the flag mean. Are there any other things that represent this country? A building, an animal, like what is it? Values and beliefs. This one's tough. You may have to rewatch the 5 elements of culture video to get this one, but it's standards by which people live by. These are not laws. Values and beliefs are not laws. And it's not just what people practice for religion. It's beauty standards, morality standards, goodness. It's things that guide social behavior. People value space. They don't want you standing up on top of them when you're talking. They value, a handshake in an interview. Norms are laws. It says social guidelines, but because some of those are also, they can kind of cross over. Like, you're supposed to walk on the right in the hallway. But norms are laws. There are things that are set in stone in society, things that are normal. It's normal, they can also be social guidelines. I get the confusion. Oh my goodness, this video was a fun time. So the norms are like you arrive on time to work or you are fired, it's that structural functional thing. Material culture are things. So cars, backpacks, purses, shoes, houses, anything you can touch. So you'll notice that in a lot of countries, they still have like iPhones and, BMWs and stuff. All right. If you have any questions about the project, email me. On this, that is posted on your Google Classroom, is a list of what you're doing and when you're doing it. I hope you guys enjoy this project, get to learn a little bit about another place. Have a great day.